Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Fendi unboxing and I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. And it came with this box. It just came from the mail today and let's open it together. So this is what it looks like and I am so excited. This is overnight shipping, guys, when I got it online. Any guesses what is this, guys? This is from the Fendigraphy line and it came with this. And it has 2 dust bags, so you already know what is this. So this is a pair of... Oh my god, it is so pretty. It is a pair of sandals and this is the Fendigraphy slides, which has an iconic Fendi logo in here. Very pretty, guys. This is really well made and it smells... Leather smells so rich. Let's put this down. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm so happy that I was able to get my size. I was eyeing this since it came out and I cannot seem to get my size as it always sold out. Finally, I found it at Fendi.com US and was able to get a pair of my size, which is size 8. I also chatted their customer representative, as I'm not sure if this is true to size or not. She told me to get my true size and it fits. So this is like a Birkenstock footbed that has like an indentation here where it shapes the sole of your foot, and it is padded, but this is a firm pad if you will ask me, and it is just so rich. I know why a lot of people are drawn to this, as this is really comfy and well made. And even though it screams really Fendi with the logo here, this is what makes this slides looks pretty and rich because of this logo. And you can see that this is like jewelry material, hardware in brushed gold. Oh my god, I am so happy with this, guys. And this is what it looks like when you can really see that this is a statement piece. This is not for the faint of heart, as it really screams designer slides. And this is my first Fendi slides and I am so happy that I finally got this, even though I have not tried it on at the store. I went to Neiman Marcus to supposedly try this on, but I don't know why they're not having Fendi slides in there anymore. They told me that they are not carrying Fendi shoes. We don't have a Fendi store in my state. So I finally said maybe it's not for me, but I've been obsessed with these shoes that I kept on looking online, and finally I found it at Fendi.com in my size, because Saks and Neiman and Nordstrom don't have sizes anymore available, as it's always out of stock. So this is it. If you will ask me if I recommend this, I do recommend this, guys. This is a little heavy. If you don't like heavy sandals, this is not for you. And I think this is for like medium to wide foot, as when I tried it on, there's like still a space at the side. So I think if you have narrow feet, this will be like a little loose on you on this part. I mean between medium and wide width. So this worked for me. The sole has a Fendi logo and it is in rubber, which has a good traction when you will walk on the ground and also on the tile surface. As you can see, guys, they have stitches, reinforcement all around in the sandals, and this is in leather. And also this one, it was inserted in this part of leather. As you can see, there's a hole in there, so this is where they insert the hardware, and looks like they glued it on, but it is a strong glue that you cannot really like peel it out. It's clean here at the back, so there's no stitches or anything that I can feel, so that's why I've thought of maybe they glued this together. But it is really sturdy, very pretty. I am so happy with these slides, guys, and let's open this this envelopes that came with this. So this one, I don't know what is this one. Let me see. The lady also told me that this is returnable for 14 days. So it has a return label where you can just put the label in if you want to return it or exchange it. And this is called slide calf leather in the description. And if you will look at the website, it says Fendigraphy. It's a part of the Fendigraphy collection, and this is what it looks like up close. Let's take a closer look on this so you'll be able to see this in close-up. If you are eyeing the sandals, this is what it looks like. It is just so pretty and so rich. Very pretty, guys. Very pretty. And here, this is what it looks like on your feet. And this Fendi letters is such a statement piece. I don't usually like big logos or like this letters that screams really like, look at me. But with this design, I don't know, like it just makes me drawn to this, that I really love everything about it. And this is my bag right now that I'm using. I love this Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 because it is so roomy and it is so practical and functional. And if you're gonna pair this together, it will look like this. So this has like the gold logo that it goes so well with this vachette and also the gold hardware of the bag. And if you're gonna use your, like for example, if you're gonna use your Chanel bag, it will look like this together. And if you have like a Coach handbags, I have here a Coach saddle bag that I love, and it will look like this. So you would think that this will be hard to pair with your bags, but actually it's a neutral that goes so well with your other bags. If you have like supposing a gunmetal bag like my YSL in gunmetal hardware, and this black logo, it will look like this. So because of the black leather, it will also go well together. And I am so excited with this, guys. I'm so excited with these slides. So happy with this. Again, guys, this is the Fendigraphy slides, which is so rich in leather and in hardware. You can never go wrong with this. This is retail for $1,100 US, and I paid a total of $1,167 dollars. I have Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Gucci slides that I love and been using for years, and I'm so glad to add this Fendi slides, which I'm sure I will be able to enjoy for the years to come. Well, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you love this Fendi slides as well, if you're eyeing it, and what are your thoughts on it. And may all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!